Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2015 Jeep Wrangler Sport. Under the hood we have a 3.6 liter V6 engine and a 6-speed manual transmission. Let's take a look around. This guy does come in black and it looks great. You got the matte black on the bumper there, kind of accents it. You got the Jeep logo there and the Wrangler grille up front here. It looks very nice. You do have halogen headlights right up front here, as well as you got the fog lights right there. You got a couple tow hooks as well if you did need those guys. Pull someone out of the ditch this winter if you're feeling nice. It does come on a pair of 17-inch rims with Goodyear brand tires, and they look great. There's still tons of tread left on those guys. You do have the exterior mirrors here, and they are in black. They look awesome. It is a two-door, which is great. Kind of gives it that sporty look. Coming to the back here, let's take a look. Open it up. And this guy is the cover for the soft top, and then you do got a lot of room back here, plus you do have the subwoofer under here as well. You just got to lift this guy up and turn it, and then you can lift it up, and there's your sub just under there. And yeah, there's lots of room here, plus you can push this forward and then you have even more room. Let's jump on in here. So we got our key, good old classic, put in there, unlock, and you're good to go. Open her up. On the door here you do have your lock here, as well as your handle. Little more handle here, and then you do have manual windows, and then you got a bit of storage here. You can open this up, put stuff in here. It is elastic, so it will stretch to whatever you need it to. These guys are pretty cool. You can turn them whichever way you want for the vents, and all the vents are like that, so you can have it blowing wherever you want. On the back of the steering wheel here, you do have your audio controls, so you can turn it up and down on the other side. This one is for your channel. And then this guy is the controls over your high beams and your low beams, as well as your turning signals. Okay, let's start her up here. It is in neutral, so we just got to put our key in the ignition and start her up for us. There we go. Now in the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as we have our fuel gauge and our oil temperature. You also have how many kilometers it has, which is only 57,000, not very many at all. You also have the temperature outside and which way we are facing. Now that flashing guy there is telling me that I have my parking brake on, which is a good thing as well. Now in the center here, you do have your step and your reset, which adjusts the guy in the middle. You got your horn, and then you have your cruise control options there. This guy over here does control your, your windshield wipers, as well as your rear windshield wiper. And then over here we do have our radio, so we have Sirius XM, FM, and AM, and it does come with a year of Sirius XM when you do purchase the vehicle. You have your disc and your aux cord there. You have your volume up and down, as well as your push on and off. You have your seek options, your scan, your all those guys, your info, forward and reverse. You do have a CD player up here, which not all the vehicles have anymore because, you know, CDs are getting outdated. But if you do have a good CD collection, it's awesome to have. You do have your eject, as well as your time there, and then you have your list, your music type, your setup, as well as your browser over here, and your presets down here, as well as your aux cord. Some more vents here, a little bit of storage here, you can put something in there, and then you do have your controls over your climate control here. So you have your heat, or your power up and down, your heat up and down, your AC, and then over here you do have your defrost, as well as where it's going to blow out of. Down here you do have plug-in, as well as you have your traction control and your hazard lights right there. Down here you do have control over your four-wheel lock and your four-wheel low and your two-wheel, all right there. This guy is your gear shift and is a manual transmission, so you do have to know how to drive a stick, or learn how to drive a stick for that matter. You got your cup holders here, as well as a bit of storage for some change, your parking brake, and then you also have a locking storage unit here, which doubles as your armrest, so you can open it up. And you got some room down here. It is dual layer, so you can open up the other one as well, put some change or whatnot in there. Over here you do have your glove box, which is also locking, and you do have your owner's manual in there as well. You get into the back, you just got to lift or pull this guy, and you get right back in there, and you can jump back there, and there's lots of room as well. You do have some cup holders down there, and it is very soft as well. And there's our 3.6 liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2015 Jeep Wrangler Sport. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.